In this class, now I am going to explain IIT-JEE Advanced 2022 problem from complex numbers. See that question. Z is a complex number with non-zero imaginary part. Z is a complex number with non-zero imaginary part. Non-zero imaginary part. And also 2 plus 3z plus 4z square whole by 2 minus 3z plus 4z square is a real number. Is a real number. Then find mod z square is equal to dash. So this is the question which was given in 2022 advanced paper 1 question. What is Z? It is a non-zero imaginary part complex number. Complex number with non-zero imaginary part. And also this is a real number. Then find mod z square. Now observe me how I am going to answer to this question. See, degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator is same. Hence it is an improper fraction. Now I am going to convert this one into the mixed fraction. See the solution. Convert into the mixed fraction. So you have to divide numerator with the denominator. Here 4z square plus 3z plus 2. Here 4z square minus 3z plus 2. Now divide this by this, so that here you get 1. Now multiply 1 with these 3 terms. Here 4z square minus 3z plus 2. Now subtract this from that. Minus plus minus. Both of them cancel. 6z. Now this can be written as this quotient plus remainder 6z by divisor 2 minus 3z plus 4z square. See, I divided numerator with the denominator. I got this much quotient and this much remainder. Now this can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. See, in the next step, so transfer this z to the denominator. So that here what do you get? 6 by, when you bring it to the down, so here 2 by z minus 3 plus 4z you will get. Okay students, see, in the next step this can be written 1 plus 6 by minus 3 plus 2z 2 by z plus 4z. In the problem they said it is a real number. When it is real number, so here it is real, here it is real, here minus 3 is also real. So then compulsory this part would be a real number, because in the problem itself they mentioned this complete result as a real number. When it becomes a real number, whenever this part is a real number. See here, 2 by z plus 4z is a real number. Is a real number. Whenever it is a real number, then whose conjugate is also a real number and both will be equal. So which is equal to 2 by z bar plus 4z bar. This is very important step in this problem because this is a real number. If it is real number, then whose conjugate is also real number? You know, both will be equal. For example, see here, 3 plus 0i is a complex number. Whose conjugate? 3 minus 0i. Actually, complex number and whose conjugate are not equal, but their magnitude equal. You know this. You know this. So this complex number and whose conjugates are equal if and only if when imaginary part is 0. In such case only both are equal, but in all other cases these two are not equal, but their magnitudes are equal. See, it is a real number as per the given data. Hence, this is equal to whose conjugate. Now simplify that. If you simplify this, see here, what we are going to get? 2 by z when it comes to the left side minus 2 by z bar. Send it to the right side. So what do you get? 4z bar minus 4z. See here, from these two, what do you take common? 2. So if you take 2 common and cross multiply, z bar minus z by z bar. So which is equal to, if you take 4 common, z bar minus z. Now both of them cancel. Now what is left? 2 by z bar, which is equal to 4. Now z bar can be written as, so 2 by 4, which is equal to z bar, which is equal to 1 by 2. So now apply mod on both sides. Take modulus on both sides, magnitude on both sides, so that it can be written mod z and mod z bar, which is equal to 1 by 2. You know, both are equal. As you know, mod z is equal to mod z bar. Hence, in place of mod z bar, you can write mod z into mod z square, which is equal to 1 by 2. So this is your required answer. Thank you.